04了是吗？耶，54。还以为这个火车60分钟，咱们是30分钟，它整段是60分钟，应该是下次交不交的？
你们是站票的，就站那的，我们是坐票。
挂票，省得不够挂票。
G'day guys, how we doing? Right, your attention please everyone. Listening ears on, thank you. Right, welcome to Puffin Philly everyone. My name's Finn. I will be your conductor today. I'll be riding up to Menzies Creek with you. How are we doing guys? We good?
Yes.
Yes, excellent. Alright. So, before we get going, I've got some very important safety stuff to go over guys. So, starting off, children. Children are either going to have the green or the red wristbands on, yeah?
Yes.
Kids with the green wristbands on are all good to sit up on the sills. So you need to have a parent near them at all times, yeah? Kids with the red wristbands on, they cannot sit up on the sills, yeah? Now, we're sitting up on the sills. This goes for everyone, yeah? We have 3 very important rules, yeah? You keep your butts in the train, your legs out the train, and you hold on tight. Holding on tight is very important, everyone, yeah? It's going to be about a half an hour trip up to Menzies Creek today. It's going to be lovely, there's plenty to see. Last 2 very important things. While we are here today guys, there's to be no smoking or vaping at any point. And while we are in motion, do not touch the doors, yeah? I will handle the doors for us the whole way. All good?
Yes.
Thank you very much.
小雨不能坐这上，在红圈的不让坐。
坐哪个？
他们俩可以。
我是绿的。
不能坐这上是吧？
你能坐，
我还能坐这上。
可以。
你有点胖啊。